Hello and welcome, this is Safa. In this video, we'll explore why we need robust control in the first place. We'll compare classical methods like PID with more advanced approaches like sliding mode control. PID controllers are everywhere. They're simple, easy to tune, and often just work. But when it comes to uncertain environment or nonlinear system like AUVs, PID struggles. It doesn't know how to expect the unexpected. Robust control is about confidence, even if the model is slightly wrong or if disturbance hits. We want the controller to stay calm and act smart. It's like giving your AUV a level of awareness and resilience. Sliding control or SMC is one of the most famous robust control methods. It creates a sliding surface and forces the system to stay on it. It's like locking the system into a safe path, no matter what tries to push it off. Okay, let's simulate the basic system controller by PID. Okay, as you can see, at t equal 5 seconds, we introduce a sudden disturbance. Okay. We can see the code. Okay. Watch how the output tries to recover, but with delay and overshoot. In a real AUV, that delay could mean drifting off course or worse. Okay. So far, we've seen the problem PID struggles under uncertainty. In the next video, we'll start designing a slide mode controller step by step. You'll see how it handles uncertainty better in theory and in code. Thanks for watching. This is Safa. We're learning together, one concept, one line of code at a time.